Hi, my name is Crash, and I'm the creator of STRM.TOOL. STRM.TOOL is kind of like the Swiss Army knife of streaming, while also being kind of a hub that ties everything you use together. I created STRM.TOOL because I was sick of having to run 12 different programs to do 6 things on my stream. And it just didn't make sense that it had to be that hard to do something simple like have an alert go off because of a channel point or press keys in my game. It didn't seem like it should have been that hard. So I made STRM.TOOL so it wouldn't be that hard. Aside from STRM.TOOL being an incredibly powerful suite of tools, it's also kind of a central hub for your stream. You can tie everything together. You can have your bot now communicate directly with OBS if it couldn't before. You can have your cloud bots do stuff on your computer. You can press keys in your game. You can have your stream PC and your game PC talk to each other. It's a way to tie everything together so that you can just focus on your content instead of trying to fix stuff and get stuff to work. So that's all fine and dandy. It's a multi-tool. But what exactly can it do? Well, just like your standard tools that you have separate apps for, you can have countdown timers, you can have death counters, unlimited death counters. But unlike lots of other tools out there, you can actually move your mouse around. You can have STRM.TOOL move your mouse, press keys on your keyboard, swap buttons on your mouse, disable mouse buttons, swap buttons on your keyboard, disable keyboard buttons. You can do complex math. If you want to make a chat mini game, you can. There's functions built into it, so you can build mini games as well. There's reading and writing text and data files, even from over the internet or between computers. So you can pass information from a text file, or you can save stuff that you want to save from the stream, save it all in a text file, and it stays there. It doesn't get wiped as soon as the stream's done. You have progress bar overlays that tie to your counters, and it goes on and on and on. Quote system, text-to-speech, tons of Twitch tools, control your Elgato key lights and other Elgato devices, flip your screen upside down. It does lots and lots of stuff, with more stuff being added constantly every week. So it's something that's meant to just take care of pretty much everything. It's meant to replace most of the apps that you use. It's meant to work beautifully with OBS Studio or Streamlabs OBS, XSplit, whatever you use. It's meant to work great with that. It can replace your bots, or it can work alongside your bots. If you're really comfortable with your bot and you want to stick with that bot because you just like the way it is, you can have it control STRM.TOOL instead of STRM.TOOL doing everything on its own. So it's extremely versatile, and it allows you to set things up exactly the way you want. Another thing I really focus on with STRM.TOOL is privacy. The reason STRM.TOOL runs on your computer and does everything on your computer is because I don't want to store your information on my server. I don't want your data. I want you to be able to just create your show and not worry about data breaches and stuff like that. Just focus on your show. That's what I want. So all the data for STRM.TOOL, all your identifying information is stored on your computer, or if you do a portable installation of STRM.TOOL, it's stored on your USB stick, whatever you want to do. But your data is yours. The only thing that STRM.TOOL collects is how many times the app has been run, whether or not a user has been logged in, and whether or not that user has premium. So it's all, the only data collected is for statistics, and it's completely anonymous. There is no identifying information sent with that. So final part of this video, is STRM.TOOL free? Yes and no. The free part of STRM.TOOL, you don't have to log in for anything. You can use it. You have a dozen tools that you can just use right away. There's nothing that you need to do. Just fire up the app and go. That's it. And you don't have to pay for anything. That includes counters, countdown timers, and a few other cool and useful tools that every single streamer uses. So it all comes right with STRM.TOOL. If you want to expand it a bit more, you can log in with your Twitch account, and you have a ton of Twitch tools that you can use. Getting information about channels, about people who raid you, stuff like that. That's with the Twitch tools. And then with a Twitch subscription, you actually unlock premium tools, which allow you to do so much more. More countdown timers, progress bar overlays, reading and writing text files, running programs, running Steam games, text-to-speech, quote system, and the list goes on and on and on. So you can download it today, run it for free without logging into your Twitch account. Just run it right off the bat, and you have access to some awesome tools right away. If you want to access Twitch tools, log in with your Twitch account. Everything is secure. It's all done through Twitch authentication, and you can access a whole bunch of Twitch features. And if you want premium tools, that you can do through the app as well. You can set up a Twitch subscription and pay through there. So your payment plan is secure through Twitch. You're protected. I'm protected as a developer. And we can all just get on with our shows. Anyways, next up, we're going to talk about how to install STRM.TOOL, first-time use, and kind of just a general walkthrough. So be sure to check that next video in the playlist.